Hold on to your hats, folks, because the Bitcoin roller coaster is back in action. Some experts are predicting Bitcoin will smash through the $100,000 ceiling in 2024. Others? Let's just say they're bracing for impact. One thing's for sure, when it comes to Bitcoin, expect the unexpected. So, what's behind this digital gold rush? Is Bitcoin about to become the world's new reserve currency, or are we headed for another crypto crash? Let's dig in. Don't miss out on our latest updates and insights. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bitcoin. It's the word on everyone's lips, from Wall Street wolves to your tech-savvy nephew. But what is it really? In a nutshell, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. No banks, no governments, just pure, unadulterated code. Some see it as a safe haven from inflation, a digital gold if you will. Others view it as the future of finance, a way to break free from the shackles of traditional banking. Love it or hate it, Bitcoin is changing the way we think about money. 2023 was a wild year for Bitcoin, even for Bitcoin standards. The cryptocurrency market has always been known for its volatility, but this year took it to a whole new level. From dramatic price surges to sudden drops, Bitcoin kept everyone on their toes. Remember when it shot past $30,000 in April? That was a moment of euphoria for investors. The trading floors were buzzing with excitement and headlines were filled with optimistic predictions. Analysts were quick to speculate on how high it could go, with some even predicting it might reach $50,000 by the end of the year. But then, just as quickly, it took a nosedive below $26,000. The sudden drop left many investors in shock. Panic spread through the market, and the media was abuzz with stories of people losing fortunes overnight. It was a stark reminder of the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Good times. Just when we thought it was down for the count, it rallied again, ending the year on a high note. The resilience of Bitcoin was on full display as it climbed back up, defying the skeptics. By December, it had reached new heights, and the celebrations on the trading floors were back in full swing. But it wasn't just the price swings that made headlines. The year was also marked by significant events in the broader crypto world. From regulatory crackdowns to high-profile scandals, the industry faced numerous challenges. Governments around the world were grappling with how to regulate this new form of currency, leading to a patchwork of rules and regulations. The crypto world was rocked by scandals, regulations, and the rise of new digital contenders. Major exchanges faced scrutiny, and some even shut down amid allegations of fraud. New cryptocurrencies emerged, each promising to be the next big thing. Investors had to navigate a complex and often confusing landscape, making it a challenging year for even the most seasoned traders. Through it all, Bitcoin stood its ground, proving its resilience time and time again. Despite the ups and downs, it remained a symbol of the potential and promise of digital currencies. As we look back on 2023, it's clear that Bitcoin's journey is far from over. The lessons learned this year will shape the future of the cryptocurrency market, and we can only imagine what the next chapter will bring. Fasten your seatbelts, because 2024 is shaping up to be another bumpy ride for Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency world is no stranger to volatility, and Bitcoin, being the pioneer, often leads the charge. This year, several key factors are poised to influence its trajectory, making it an exciting yet unpredictable journey for investors and enthusiasts alike. First up, we've got the halving, a Bitcoin event that happens roughly every 4 years. This event is highly anticipated in the crypto community because it directly impacts the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. When the halving occurs, the reward for mining new blocks is cut in half, which means miners receive 50% fewer Bitcoins for verifying transactions. Essentially, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created gets cut in half, making the existing ones more valuable. This scarcity effect is similar to what happens with precious metals like gold. As the supply decreases, if demand remains constant or increases, the price typically goes up. This is basic economics at play, and it's one of the reasons why halvings are so closely watched. Historically, this has led to, you guessed it, price surges. After previous halvings, Bitcoin has seen significant price increases, sometimes reaching new all-time highs. However, it's important to note that past performance is not always indicative of future results. The market conditions in 2024 are different from previous years, with more institutional involvement and regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are finally starting to take Bitcoin seriously, some might say very seriously. This increased attention from regulators can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, clear regulations can provide legitimacy and attract more institutional investors. On the other hand, overly restrictive policies could stifle innovation and limit growth. Seriously. In the United States, for example, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been actively working on creating a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. This includes guidelines on how digital assets should be classified and how exchanges should operate. Similar efforts are underway in Europe, Asia, and other regions. New regulations are popping up left and right, which could either boost or bust the crypto market. For instance, if regulations are too harsh, they could drive innovation to more crypto-friendly jurisdictions. Conversely, well-balanced regulations could foster a safer and more stable market environment, encouraging more mainstream adoption. It's a gamble, folks, but isn't that half the fun? The thrill of the unknown is part of what makes Bitcoin so captivating. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, 2024 promises to be a year full of twists and turns. So, keep your eyes on the market, stay informed, and enjoy the ride. After all, in the world of Bitcoin, anything can happen. Section 5: Bitcoin bulls versus Bitcoin bears. Who's right? So, will Bitcoin skyrocket in 2024 or come crashing back down to earth? It's the million-dollar question, or should we say, the $100,000 question. The Bitcoin bulls are feeling optimistic. They point to the halving, the growing institutional interest, and the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies as signs of a bright future. The bears, on the other hand, are a little more cautious. They warn of potential market bubbles, regulatory crackdowns, and the unpredictable nature of, well, everything. Don't just take our word for it. We asked some of the biggest brains in the crypto world for their 2 cents on Bitcoin's future. Here's what they had to say. Bitcoin is like a cockroach. It'll survive anything. Anonymous crypto kingpin. I predict Bitcoin will either go up or it will go down. Maybe sideways, but probably not. World-renowned crypto analyst. Bitcoin is the future. I've invested my life savings, my dog's college fund, and my grandma's dentures. Guy who probably shouldn't be giving financial advice. The world of Bitcoin is as volatile as it is fascinating. Every day new predictions emerge, each one as varied as the next. Some experts believe that Bitcoin will continue to rise, breaking new records and reaching unprecedented heights. Others caution that the bubble might burst, leading to significant losses for investors. Financial news channels are abuzz with discussions about Bitcoin's potential. Analysts pore over charts and data, trying to make sense of the trends. Some see patterns that suggest a bright future, while others warn of the risks involved. At Bitcoin meetups, enthusiasts share their thoughts and predictions. The excitement is palpable, with many believing that Bitcoin is just at the beginning of its journey. They talk about the potential for Bitcoin to revolutionize the financial world, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. In academic circles, Bitcoin is a hot topic of research. Professors and students alike are delving into the intricacies of blockchain technology, exploring its potential applications and implications. They discuss the challenges and opportunities that Bitcoin presents, and what it could mean for the future of finance. Tech startups are also getting in on the action. Developers are working on innovative blockchain projects, hoping to create the next big thing in the crypto world. They see Bitcoin as just the beginning, with endless possibilities for new applications and technologies. For those new to the world of Bitcoin, there are countless resources available. Books, online courses, and forums provide a wealth of information for anyone looking to learn more. The more people understand about Bitcoin, the more they can make informed decisions about their investments. Even families are getting involved in the conversation. Around dinner tables, discussions about Bitcoin are becoming more common. Parents explain the concept to their children, and some even consider investing as a family. The convenience of Bitcoin is one of its biggest draws. With just a smartphone, anyone can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Transactions are quick and easy, making it accessible to people all over the world. Success stories abound in the Bitcoin community. Many have made significant profits from their investments, and they share their experiences with others. These stories inspire new investors to take the plunge and explore the world of Bitcoin. But it's not all smooth sailing. The volatility of Bitcoin means that there are also stories of loss and disappointment. Some investors have seen their fortunes dwindle as the market fluctuates. It's a reminder that while the potential for profit is high, so are the risks. Financial advisors often recommend a balanced approach. Diversifying investments can help mitigate the risks associated with Bitcoin. They suggest not putting all your eggs in one basket and considering other investment options alongside Bitcoin. Regulatory developments are also a key factor to watch. Governments around the world are grappling with how to handle Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. New regulations could have a significant impact on the market, either boosting confidence or creating new challenges for investors. Conferences and events provide a platform for experts to share their insights and predictions. These gatherings bring together some of the brightest minds in the industry, offering a glimpse into the future of Bitcoin and blockchain technology. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining is another topic of discussion. As the demand for Bitcoin grows, so does the energy consumption required to mine it. Some are exploring sustainable solutions to reduce the carbon footprint of Bitcoin mining. The adoption of Bitcoin as a payment method is on the rise. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin, making it easier for people to use their digital currency in everyday transactions. This growing acceptance is a positive sign for the future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin ATMs are becoming more common, providing a convenient way for people to buy and sell Bitcoin. These machines are popping up in cities around the world, making it easier for people to access their digital currency. Workshops and seminars offer hands-on learning experiences for those interested in Bitcoin. These events provide valuable insights and practical knowledge, helping people understand how to navigate the world of cryptocurrency. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, its journey is filled with milestones and achievements. Each new development brings excitement and anticipation, as the world watches to see what the future holds for this groundbreaking digital currency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the world of Bitcoin offers endless possibilities. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but for many, the potential rewards make it all worthwhile. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: Bitcoin is here to stay. So where does that leave us? Is Bitcoin the future of finance or a ticking time bomb? Honestly, folks, nobody knows for sure. What we do know is this: Bitcoin is volatile, unpredictable, and potentially very profitable. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and it's not for the faint of heart. But hey, that's what makes it so damn exciting. What's your take on Bitcoin? Are you a Bitcoin believer, a skeptical observer? Share your thoughts, predictions, and hot takes in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hilarious, insightful, and slightly terrifying explorations of the wild world of cryptocurrency.